wanted to take this opportunity to wish you a happy 47 funding anniversary. I'm Robert Aguelo from Pi Gamma Rho Hagupit Chapter, at the same time, Caraga Council President. It's a chance for us to celebrate our 47 funding anniversary, which is the Beta Gamma Rho 1973. Yearly, we celebrate our anniversary with this theme, 47 years of challenges and achievements together. We are transforming lives, one Bitagamians. This is our time for us to enjoy together with our brotherhood and sisterhood, sharing the challenges, achievements, and projects in every chapters. But in spite of this pandemic, we need to embrace and we must follow the protocol in this new normal. Celebration of this upcoming anniversary is not the same as we celebrate before, but this is not the hindrance to make this celebration possible and a successful one. Once again, happy 47 funding anniversary, Beta Gamma Rho, Abanti, Caraga Council.
Good day to all of Bitagamians. I'm Brother Chito Romero of Theta Delta Chapter. A true blood Bitagamians is it who you known the longest. It's who show up with you them with the most. It's who listen to understand you, not just to reply. Someone who helps you without hidden agenda. Bitagamians who encourage you, believe you, and loves you. They are the honest, loyal, truthful strength of our organization. They are the ones who makes the best memory and yet also unaware without seeing them. And nothing has changed. Happy 47th founding anniversary, Beta Gamma Rho. Forever Bitagamians.
Ayong adlaw diha ninyo tanan, mga brad, mga say. Kumusta naman mo? Long time no see daay sa mga suod na ko dira o sa mga nakailan nako. By the way, sa wala din nakailan nako, ako si Grace. I-survive sa Beta Gamma USGR chapter atong August 15, 2001. Sa pagkakaroon na ako diri karon sa Dubai, nag-trabaho with kuyog na ko akong family. So if free ko, then ay mga gatherings ang sa UA Council, maka-attend job ko, pero mostly lisod mangod kay natin family ba. So unahon gyud natong family nato. And also sa umaabot din na anniversary nato, happy 47th founding anniversary, Beta Gamma Rho 1973. Dugay na gyud ang atong grupo. So mahinaot ko nga daghan patang mga projects na mahimo sa umaabot pang mga panahon. O amping mo dira permi, na hinaot ko nga safe mo tanan dira kung bisan asa man mo karon. Again, happy 47th founding anniversary to all of us. Take care and see you soon kung makauli ko Pinas. Soon. Wala po ko balong kung sa basta soon. Okay, bye.
Maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. Ako day si Saxon Joseph from Cebu Institute of Technology, Raw Chapter. I just want to greet everybody, my fellow beloved brothers and sisters in Beta Gamma Rho, Beta Omega Phi fraternity and sorority. Happy 47th anniversary na kong tanan. And moto ayo mong tanan, and salute to every one of you. Peace out.
Hello, what's up? Magandang buhay po sa lahat ng mga kapatid. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Brad Algeorge Mudansa, chapter organizer of Beta Omega chapter Mainit, Surigao del Norte. From State Chapter Butuan, at the same time Caraga Council Vice President. Ako po ay bumabati sa ating lahat na happy 47th years founding anniversary Beta Gamma Rho in the theme of 47 years of challenges and achievements. Together, we are transforming lives one Bitagamians. Because our foremost is to serve and to show compassion and the will to help others. Ako po ay nag-iiwan sa kasabihan na quitter is always a loser. And once a Bitagamians, always a Bitagamians. Once again, happy 47th anniversary mga kapatid. Padayon sa pagsiglak Bitagamians forever.
Good day to all my fellow brothers and sisters of Beta Gamma Rho Fraternity and Sorority. I, Kevin Kinapundan of Rho Gamma Chapter and Lapu-Lapu Council, would like to greet a happy 47th founding anniversary. Forever Beta Gamma Rho.
Ako nga pala si Nicolo Cailog from Alpha Manila Chapter. Advance happy 47th anniversary, Brad and Sis, forever.
So what's up, Brad Patrick? Joe Mapa ng Beta Omega Chapter at Caraga Council. I would like to express my greetings to all Beta Gamians. Happy 47 years anniversary sa atong tanan. So, sana magmalipayon ta. Mag-success na itong mga plano ka anniversary. So, sa mga kailangan mag-TikTok, PM lang ko ninyo, Brad. Tapang char lang ito. So, forever, Beta Gamians. Hopefully, na mag-enjoy kong tanan forever.
Good day, brothers and sisters. Ako na si Silas Church from the Tape Chapter Lapu-Lapu Council, a acting Vice President and Organizer sa Lady Bitagamians of Beta Gamma Rho Sorority. Today is our 47th founding year anniversary, mga brothers and sisters. Salute to everybody. Happy anniversary forever. O, pasalamat ko perhaps sa pandemic na ito ang yatubang karon. Not only in the Philippines, also all over the world. And nagkahiusa na po kita o padayunan na po ato ang panag kahiusa na nagsinagtanay o pagtinabangan. Forever atong tanan.
Good morning mga brad and sis. Advance happy 47th anniversary of Beta Gamma Rho. I am Luis Francis Ruiz, member of Omicron Kappa Chapter, Kamputhaw. Hinaot kamo mga brad and sis, dito mangitag gubot.